Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create business interior balance using adaptive wide angle in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and load an interior image with wide distortion. I pause, because interiors define comfort in business visuals. I duplicate the layer immediately. Inside Camera Raw filter, I activate adaptive wide angle. I draw constraint lines along floors and walls carefully. I stop and let the correction settle. I slightly adjust scale to keep proportions natural. I zoom in to check furniture alignment. I refine lines until the space feels calm. I zoom out and feel balance returning. Now I add business interior text with proper spacing. The final design feels clean, inviting, and professional. Thank